welcome back to JunieEra. Guys, can you imagine we're already in Ember month, the end of September. This is the Ugambe Chameleon eyeshadow. I applied it on my eyes. If you want to know what I think, this is what I think. I will post it at the end of the video. But let's get into tell you guys a story. A while ago I wanted a tripod, right? And I got this tripod from TikTok. Okay, open now. I'm trying to open it. I got it from TikTok, and to my surprise, after using it for just only three times, and to make matter was my one and only tripod that I had gotten from Amazon. I used it to take my picture. You know how some people, you take time to take their picture, but when it's your own time to take picture, they will take rubbish picture. Broke due to my carelessness. So I want to warn you guys, before you buy anything from TikTok, be careful. Don't just go with the hype. Yes, you may like the person, right? Ask yourself, is this gonna last? Is this gonna do me justice? And listen to the comment. Listen both to the good and negative comments. Now, luckily for me, I went on Shein and I was able to get this tripod, and I'm so excited. I mentioned in my last video that I will be unboxing it, and today is that day. So let's see what this tripod is all about.
From a shy little girl, now I press recording. Every click, every edit, I'm growing more impressed. No waiting for perfect, just making a start better day. One video, one dream, straight from the heart. JunieEra, shine brighter, oh boys. Fashion, beauty, life, let it overflow. JunieEra, the future's near shore. Step by step, the vision's clear. This better head is better, sound quality go there, but the channel go global, one day it go pay.
So I tried setting up this tripod. So hard. I don't know what I'm doing. Unfortunately, there's no instruction. Normally stuff like this comes with instructions. You can see nothing is in here. So on that notice, I'll be waiting for my brother to help me arrange it. Once he does arrange it, I will come back and I will show you the tripod. Okay, brothers are very handy. So I did receive this camera, the Canon G7X Mark II, 2 years ago. Yeah, and I got it from my best friend. It's one of the most thoughtful gifts I have ever received. More come in the future. Back then I was saying I wanted to start TikTok, I wanted to start YouTube, and he was able to bless me with this camera. You know what's funny? After receiving this, I didn't use it. It has just been with me. Every time I go out, I take it with me and I don't use it. It was just recently I remember that, oh, I have a camera, why don't I use this camera for my YouTube? Because back then I thought my phone was not sufficient enough to start anything. I thought my room was not enough to start anything. You know, I wanted it to be like others. And that's what that comparison thing, I prayed about it, and thank God had delivered me from it. So I'm trying to say, whatever you have, use it, make it work for you. So yes, my Canon GX Mark II. I also got new SD card. I didn't have one before. This one is 64 gigabytes, and I also 64 gigabytes with 200 GB. This tripod, you can see, is for camera, and the stand is really durable. So that's what I wanted to show you. This camera also comes with a remote, which I really love. It makes it easier. It makes it easier when recording yourself, you know. But please don't feel pressure to buy every gadget. Every year new electronics comes out. Like my dad always says, a few years ago BlackBerry was the hottest phone, and now nobody uses it. Maybe some do. Today it is iPhone 16 Pro Max. We do the most just to have it, but in a few years it will be something else. So don't stress it. Don't stress yourself. That is it for today, guys. Sorry I couldn't set up my tripod. My brother handled that part, and I'll update you in another video also about the camera. I'll show you the behind scene in my next video, how I do the camera. If you are interested though, I will link the Shein tripod down in my description, as well as similar camera I have seen on Amazon. And I'll also be adding things to my Amazon storefront. You can see it took multiple applications for it to show on my lip, not on my other line, under eye. It didn't show on my eyelid, nothing. I will give these a 6.5 just because I like the color. That's just it, and because I love the name Ugami. Like, I've used their product before. I'm just on a whim that I'm profound. I tried applying it under here. You can barely see it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of JunieEra. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Use what you have for the ultimate best. Don't compare yourself with anyone. Don't think you're beneath anyone. And always wish yourself great things. Until next time, take care.